JML Construction and Demolition CA delivers reliable residential and commercial construction and demolition services with professionalism and precision. Our experienced team specializes in remodeling, concrete work, framing, site preparation, and full or selective demolition. From safe teardowns and debris removal to quality rebuilding and finishing, we handle every phase with efficiency and attention to detail. Using modern equipment and proven techniques, we ensure projects are completed safely, on time, and within budget. Contact JML Construction and Demolition CA today for a free estimate and let us bring your next project to life with strength and expertise.